Hey guys, what's up? Hope you all are fine. Today in this video, I'm going to be teaching you best way how to share internet from laptop to desktop through Ethernet cable. First of all, you need one Ethernet cable like this. If you don't have, check link in description. Here you can buy it best Ethernet cable. Okay, let's get started. Connect in Ethernet cable one port to your laptop. Make sure connect it properly. Then another port need to connect desktop Ethernet port. See the video. Confirm that your laptop is connected wireless internet network. Then type search bar control panel and go to the control panel. Then click to go network and internet. Click network and sharing center. Then left side click change adapter setting. Here you can double click Wi-Fi. Then click properties. Then at the top right side click sharing. Then click first option. Then click OK and all done. See the video. Now you can use internet to your PC. See the video. Hope you done it properly. If not, then watch the video again. If you want to watch more video like this, subscribe our channel for new update. Thank you.